Hello everyone, welcome to Russia Fields. My name is Ankit, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about 5-year MBBS course in Kazan Federal University. We have been receiving a lot of questions and queries regarding this course because this is the first time a university in Russia is starting a 5-year course. So we will help you clear all your doubts and queries. So before we start this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification button so that you can receive notifications about MBBS abroad and universities abroad as soon as possible. So make sure you subscribe. So let's get started. As we all know, Kazan Federal University is a very popular university in Russia, and a lot of students are willing to take admission over here in Russia. So the thing is, like from past 3-4 months, we are seeing advertisements in India regarding Kazan Federal University offering a 5-year course. A lot of consultants and agents are promoting this course of MBBS abroad in Russia in 5-year course in Kazan Federal University. So we also received a lot of questions and queries regarding this. So we started to dig up the things and started to find out details on this course. So according to the university is starting a program named as General Medicine General Practitioner. So what happens in all the universities in Russia, there is a course named as General Medicine, which is a 6-year MBBS course, and the degree awarded to the student is MD Physician. And this degree of MD Physician is equivalent to the MBBS in India and is recognized by the Medical Council of India. So now the thing happening is, like, the university has reduced the course duration to 5 years under this course name as General Practitioner. So we are not sure about the academic plan. We also tried to visit university website because in Russia almost all the universities, they provide their complete academic plan for all 6 years on their university website. Like, they mention all the subjects that will be taught during this program, all the number of hours the subjects will be taught, the number of hours the student have to do practice, and everything is mentioned in the academic plan, or we say it in Russian language, Uchebny plan of a university. So we tried to find out, but there was no Uchebny plan or academic plan available for this 5-year course on the university website. Also, I visited the website and found it a very strange thing, which I will show you just right now on the screen. So the thing is, like, I visited the Kazan Federal University website, and on their website there is a link I will post down in the comment section down below, and also I will put in the description. On that link there are details of all the courses, and when you scroll down through their website, I opened the website in Google Chrome so that it will translate itself, so that it is easy for me to understand. So if you scroll down over here, there is a link of plan for the admission of foreign citizens, and if you click on this link, there is a PDF which is downloaded, and in that PDF you can find all the details of this course. So if you open this Uchebny plan or this academic, like, details of the academic plan, so here both the courses are mentioned. General Medicine in English medium, specialist, the course duration is 6 years, 6 years. Here it is mentioned. It is a full-time course, and all the details are mentioned, like how many seats are available. There are 50 seats available for this course in English medium in Kazan Federal University. And right next to it, the course mentioned here is General Medicine, and the further details they are mentioned, like Vrach Obshe Practica General Practitioner, this is mentioned, and this course is also a specialist degree, and the course duration here mentioned is 6 years for this course as well. But the agents and the consultants in India are marketing this as a 5-year course. I contacted the university admission department for foreign students, and there they also told that there is a course of 5 years. The main difference between these two courses, the 5 years and 6-year course, according to that lady I talked about as a student, so she just told me that this is a course which is special for Indian students, and the course duration is 5 years, and the tuition fees for this course is a little bit high. But I'm not sure about the academic plan because I asked the lady also, and I tried to find out on their website also, but there is no academic plan available for this course right now as of to the university. So the thing is, like, which I want to convey through this video is that we don't have a problem. Like, there is no problem if you want to choose Kazan Federal University. It is the best university in Russia, and the ranking of the university is also very good, and the infrastructure facilities, everything is quite good over here. We recommend this university to the students if they have a budget of 35 to 40 lakhs. We recommend it to the students as well. So the thing is, we have a problem if you are choosing this university only because of the 5-year course. If you are thinking that the university will provide a 5 years course, then only you are going for Kazan Federal, then we don't recommend you to do so. The thing is, the university is providing 5-year course, which is, we are not sure whether is approved by a Medical Council of India or not, because we tried to contact the Medical Council of India several times, but they are not aware one time the call connected also, but they are not sure. Like they also showed like how can a university in Russia start a 5-year program. So we are not sure about whether it is approved by Medical Council of India or not, because as I told you earlier also, right now in general medicine the degree issued to students who are studying in Russia with MD physician degree, which equivalent to MBBS degree in India. But we are not sure that what will be the degree issued by doing this course. Maybe it will be MD physician or not. We are not sure about that. But according to MCI, Medical Council of India, the MBBS in Russia is of 6 years, and we are not sure whether this course is approved by Medical Council of India or not. So you should make sure that while you're taking admission in this university, you should not just think in mind that I'm going to a 5-year course. Also, I contacted the university and I contacted some of the students also who are already studying over there, and they also don't have much information about this course. And I asked the university for an admission letter for this course. So the university sent us an admission letter, and on that admission letter they have mentioned details of both the courses. They have mentioned both the courses, and they have mentioned like Kazan Federal University, there are 2 specialty degree diploma, general medicine general practitioner and general medicine usual, and the tuition fees for the program of general medicine medical practitioner is 4,55,688 rubles per year for this session 2021, and the tuition fees for the course general medicine, which is a 6-year program, is 3,79,740 rubles. So there is a difference in the fee details, and according to the lady I talked in the admission department, she is saying that the course is 5 years, but there is no proper academic plan available for this course, and it is not sure that whether this course is approved by Medical Council of India or not. So the thing we are saying is, if you are willing to take admission in Kazan Federal University, you should go for it, you should take admission, but you should not consider this 5-year program as a main reason why you are selecting this university. And I talked with the lady in the admission department, and she said that student don't have to decide that which course he want to study right now. When he will sign the contract of education with the university, at that time he can decide whether he want to do this general medicine course or this general medicine general practitioner course, which he want to choose. He have to decide at the time of signing the contract with the university, and by that time we will try to contact the Medical Council of India, and we will try to confirm whether this course is eligible, this course is confirmed by the Medical Council of India or not. And if the thing is so, then you should definitely consider this 5-year program. But apart from that, at this moment, if you are willing to take admission in a good university in Russia, you can consider Kazan Federal. But keep in mind, don't only think that because of this 5-year course you are taking admission in Kazan Federal University, because if you consider a full English university in Russia, there are a lot of options available for the students which are cheap also. Like you can cover your full English MBBS education in Russia in around 30 lakhs. So you should consider other factors as well. So I think that's it for this video, and if you guys have any other questions or queries, you should comment us down below, and we will try to solve all the questions and queries. So I think my main point is clear to you guys in this video about this 5 years MBBS program course in Kazan Federal University. So about the video about Kazan Federal University, all the details, the next video is going to be that only. So make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification button so that you can receive notifications about that video as soon as this video is out. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.